motor. Got me running right. I'm gonna get that bitch painted